Have you ever wanted to generate images, text, thumbnails over an API? Well, you can use BannerBear to do that. The example on the homepage makes it very clear, which is that you build a template. I suppose this is like a testimonial thing you could share on social media. And you would use, once you design the template, you say, here's the font, here's the background color. You put in placeholders. This is the text, this is the image, and then you fill in those placeholders over the API. They've got a very easy to use visual builder for building your templates. And then you can use the API to populate them and you get an image back. Now, I would consider this a secret weapon if you've got anything in your Bubble app that you want your users to share on social media as a promotion of your Bubble app. It could be as simple as gamification. You want to provide them with a specific reward. You could have a nice certificate and you could throw that user's profile image into it, make it very personalized, very shareable, and they share it on social media and your app gets a few new users. Those are the sort of things that I would be considering BannerBear for. But it isn't just image API. You've got video generation. In fact, let's have a look at that. So the example here, I won't run it because it does take a few seconds to run. But yeah, you can create a video. They've also got PDF generation too. So once more, you're designing a template. Try and get that to load in. Oh, it's the same page, similar page. You create a template for your PDF and you fill in all of the merge fields, all the merge tags, all the placeholders over the API. Yeah, you can do all of that with BannerBear and the API.